Little angel reader.
Little angel reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 4. Listen, read, repeat. Writing. Writing. The girl is writing. The girl is writing. The girl is sitting and writing. The girl is sitting and writing. The woman is writing. The woman is writing. Write, writing. Write, writing. The boy is writing. The boy is writing. The man is writing. The man is writing.
I am writing. I am writing. I am writing.
Doing. Doing. Questions. What is the girl doing? She is writing. What are the children doing? They are writing. What is the man doing? He is writing. What is the woman doing? She is writing. Listen, repeat, read, find. The man is writing. The man is writing. The man is writing. The woman is writing. The woman is writing. The woman is writing. The boy is reading. The boy is reading. The boy is reading. Questions. Who? Who? Who is eating? She is. She is eating. Who is writing? They are. They are writing. What? What? What is he reading? He is reading a book. What is Max reading? Max is reading a book. Is Max reading or writing? He is reading.
Okay, Max, are you ready to read the book?
Yeah. The Fox and the Stick by Anne Mitkiewicz.
Who wrote this book?
My mom wrote this book.
Okay.
Listen and find. Who is writing? She is writing. The woman is writing. What is the girl doing? She is running. The girl is running. Banana. Banana. A banana. Banana. Bananas.
Max is eating a banana.
Max is eating a banana.
I'm eating a banana. I am eating a banana.
Monkey. Monkey. A monkey. Monkey. Monkeys. A monkey and a banana. I see a monkey eating a banana. What is the man eating? He's eating a banana.
My turn. A monkey sleeping and a monkey reading a book. Not a match. Okay, Max, your turn.
A monkey sleeping.
A monkey sleeping
A monkey sleeping!
and a monkey sleeping. It's a match. Hooray! Let's take a picture.
The monkeys are sleeping. The monkeys are sleeping.
Okay, it's my turn. A monkey reading the newspaper and a monkey reading a book. It's not a match. Can you help me, Max, with the cards? Please help me. Thank you. Your turn.
A monkey reading a book. A monkey reading a book.
Two monkeys reading books.
I see a monkey reading a book. I see a monkey reading a book. The monkey is reading a book. The monkey is reading a book.
My turn. A monkey walking on his hands and a monkey reading the newspaper. No, not a match. Can you help me? Please help me. Okay, your turn, Max.
A monkey walking on his hands. A monkey walking on his hands.
Two monkeys walking on their hands. Let's take a picture.
The monkeys are walking. The monkeys are walking.
A monkey reading the newspaper. A monkey reading the newspaper.
Two monkeys reading the newspapers. Okay, let's take a picture.
I see a monkey reading the newspaper. I see a monkey reading the newspaper. The monkey is reading the newspaper. The monkey is reading the newspaper. I see a monkey writing a letter. I see a monkey writing a letter. The monkey is writing a letter. The monkey is writing a letter. Let's review. Let's review. Who? What? Writing. Banana. Monkey. I am, she is, he is, they are. I am writing. He is writing. She is eating a banana. I see a monkey eating a banana. The monkey is reading a book. I see a monkey reading a book. I see. Homework. Homework. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I'm a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I also write children's books. Books. And run a YouTube channel called Little Angel Reader. I'm a wife and mother of 2 talented children, Angelina and Max. They are both fluent in English. We live in Russia. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 4. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.